Welcome to the lesson on Simple Poetries and Sanskrit. In this lesson, we will be looking at simple one-liner poetries in Sanskrit that teaches us values to be inculcated in our life. Let's have a look at them one by one. A, Kro, Te, Na, Ja, Ye, T, Kro, Da, Together, this poetry is read as Akrodena Jayet Krodam, which means we can win anger through calmness. Here, Akroda refers to calmness and Krodam refers to anger. Let's have a look at another poetry. Sa, Tya, Ka, Nta, Sya, Bhu, Sha, Na, Together, this poetry is read as Satyam Kanthasya Bhushanam, which means the decoration for the throat is the truth. Here, Satyam refers to truth, Kantha refers to the throat, and Bhushanam refers to decoration. Let's have a look at another poetry. E, Shwa, Ra, I, Cha, Ba, Li, Ya, Si. Together, this poetry is read as Ishvara Icha Baliyasi, which means God's desire is the most superior. Let's have a look at another poetry. U, Dya, Me, Na, Hi, Si, Dya, Nti, Ka, Rya, Ni, Na, Ma, No, Rataihi, which is together read as Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi, which means we achieve greater things in life through hard work and not just by dreaming about it. Let's have a look at another poetry. Ki, A, Bhya, Se, Hi, Du, Shka, Ra, Together, this poetry is read as Kim Abhyase Hi Dushkaram, which means what is impossible with practice. Thank you for watching this lesson on Simple Poetries in Sanskrit. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.